In just 1 month, I've gotten over 7,000 subscribers, 6,000 watch time hours, and over 200,000 views from posting only 2 videos. And in this video, I want to show you how you too can get views and engagements like this in just 1 month, even if you have less than 1,000 subscribers right now. Before I discovered the techniques I'm about to share with you in this video, I was also struggling to grow my YouTube channel. No matter how many videos I posted or how consistent I was, my videos were still struggling to get even 200 views until I started to study what some of the biggest YouTubers were doing to grow their channel. After applying what I learned on my personal YouTube channel, my videos went from barely getting views to attracting thousands of views and subscribers. Now in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can get the same results. Plus, I want to help one of my subscribers who's not monetized yet to get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch time hours in the next 1 month. So make sure you watch this video till the end to find out how you can become that lucky person. Now, one of the strategies some of the biggest YouTubers use to grow their channel very fast is coming up with unique and interesting content ideas, but also testing these ideas to see if they will get lots of views before they even make their YouTube video. I know it sounds very confusing because how do you even test your content ideas to know if they will get lots of views if you haven't even created or posted the video on your channel yet, right? Well, we'll get to that soon, but the person I learned this strategy from is Alex Hormozi. If you don't know who he is, Alex Hormozi is a businessman. He's also a content marketer who was able to grow his YouTube channel from 0 to over 1 million subscribers in just 6 months. Here is how he did it. Whenever he came up with a new content idea for his YouTube channel or for a video, he would first turn that idea into a tweet and post it on his X profile. He would do this several times in a week, posting multiple tweets, and then at the end of the week, he would look at all the posts that he made and then see which ones got the most engagement, most views, likes, comments, shares, and all of that. And then he would turn that content into a YouTube video. By doing this, he was able to figure out which contents would get the most views even before he started creating the video. This is a strategy you too can use as a small content creator to get more views as well. If you're not really active on X, you don't need to use X to test your content ideas. You can also post them on your Instagram stories, on TikTok, or even your YouTube community post. Then check which of the videos or the content you've posted that got the most views, likes, comments, and shares. Once you know what's getting the most engagement for you, you can then turn those posts into YouTube videos. By doing this, you're not wasting your time creating content that might not even get views or the engagement that you're looking for. Another way to test your ideas is to look for what is already out there that's performing well in terms of engagement. Whenever you come up with an idea, always go to your YouTube or any platform and check for similar ideas. If you find that a similar video was created by a content creator with 1 million subscribers and that video only got 100,000 views, that is a sign that that particular topic is one that people are not really interested in. So what do? Avoid that particular topic even though it's something you're passionate about, or you can create it anyway knowing that it's not going to get you lots of views. One of the reasons I've found that small creators often struggle with low views even after posting consistently for months is because they don't take the time to figure out what their audience really want to watch. The biggest content creators spend about 50% of their time testing ideas, making sure that they'll get the views and engagement that they're looking for even before they start to create their videos. And this is something you should also do too if you want to get more views on your YouTube videos. Another strategy I use to get more recommendations and views on my YouTube video is something I call thumbnail test. This is actually a strategy I learned from MrBeast, the biggest content creator on YouTube, and here is why you should also try it. When you open your YouTube app, the first thing you'll see is a bunch of thumbnails and titles, right? Well, the thumbnails and the title of your video is what will either make people watch or scroll past your video. This is why some of the biggest creators like MrBeast, who has over 300 million subscribers, still do thumbnails thumbnail testing. Now let's take this video Mr. Beast posted a while back for example. If you look closely here, you'll see that he changed his thumbnail about 4 times. This was the original thumbnail he posted with the video, and a day later he changed it to this one. Then 2 days later he changed it again to this one. 3 days later he changed it again to another one, and finally on the 4th day he settled for this final thumbnail. Now why would someone with so many subscribers and views on their videos keep changing their thumbnails every other day for 4 days? Because the video wasn't getting enough views or engagement. If a creator as big as Mr. Beast with millions of subscribers and views is still putting this much effort into testing his thumbnails, then the question is, why aren't you doing the same? As a small content creator, if you want to get more views on your videos, you should also, especially on YouTube, test your thumbnails just like you test your content ideas. YouTube now has a thumbnail testing feature that lets you to test multiple thumbnails for your videos. So the next time you create your videos, try to come up with 3 different thumbnail ideas that you believe will grab people's attention when they're scrolling past your video. Upload all 3 of them when you're posting your video. YouTube will then show these thumbnails to different viewers, and after 3 days, they'll tell you which of the thumbnails is getting the most clicks or views. When I first started creating content, I did not used to use this strategy, and my videos got very low views. But once I started to test my thumbnails and my content ideas out, just like Mr. Beast and lots of top content creators here on YouTube, I saw a huge difference in my views. Take this video for example. When I created the video, I created 3 different thumbnails as well and tested them all out for 3 days. After the test results came out, YouTube showed me that this particular thumbnail got the most views and watch time. In fact, this one got about 21% more views than the other thumbnails. So I decided to just stick with it. And as soon as I set this as my official thumbnail, the video started to perform better. Now my maths isn't the best, but 21% of 200,000 views is about 42,000 views. So this means if I had gone with any of the other thumbnails, I would have lost about 42,000 views on the video. And who knows, maybe the video wouldn't even have reached 200,000 views. This is why it's important for you as a small creator to test your thumbnails out. Now, having a great title and thumbnail is important for getting views, but there is another simple exercise that you can do to increase your watch time hours. The next time you want to create a video, take some time to write down everything you want to say or do in the video, then edit out 50% of it. As simple as this sounds, it completely changed the game for me. When you cut out half of what you plan to say or do in your content, it forces you to keep only the most relevant information for your audience. This ensures that every second of your video is engaging and meaningful. So as a content creator, whether you're small or big, you need to learn how to respect your audience's time and focus on delivering value instead of wasting their time, and they'll watch your videos and engage with your content more. Now, how do you respect your audience's time as a content creator? One of the easiest ways to do this is to stop introducing yourself and begging for likes and subscribers and shares at the beginning of your video. When you do this, it makes it seem like the video is all about you and what you want from your audience. Instead, use the first 30 seconds of your video to make a promise to your audience. For example, at the beginning of this video, I promised to teach you 3 strategies that would help you gain more views, subscribers, and watch time hour within 1 month, even if you have less than 1,000 subscribers right now. I also mentioned that I would be helping one of my subscribers get monetized within 1 month. Now, that's how you should be starting your videos. Make it about your audience and what they will get from watching your videos, and not about yourself and what you want your audience to do for you, even before you give them anything. Now, after the first 30 seconds, use the rest of the video to fulfill that promise. So if you told your audience that you would teach them how to grow their YouTube channel or do something, then don't waste your time asking for likes and shares and subscribes and all of that. Show them how to do that thing you promised them in the first 30 seconds. The truth is, when you provide value, you don't need to beg for subscribers. People will naturally subscribe, they will naturally like and share your content to others. Which brings me to my next point. Another thing you can do to respect your audience's time, thereby increasing your watch time, is to stop introducing yourself in the beginning or end of your video. You'll be shocked to know how much information is already out there on the internet about you. If someone is interested in knowing more about you, trust me, they will find out all the details they want to know. Except you're making personal vlogs, behind the scenes videos for the fans that you've already gathered, you should not make your videos about yourself, but instead about your audience. On December 28, 2024, I had just 12,000 subscribers here. Fast forward to today, I have over 20,000 subscribers and counting from only posting 2 videos. This all proves everything I've been talking about in this video. It's not about how many videos you post, it's all about the quality and the value in the videos you put out. If you apply these strategies, you can hit your watch time hour and get monetized in just 1 month with just 1 video. Now, if you want to be one of the lucky persons that I will help to get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch time hours, then make sure you check the description below. I've included all the details on how you can become that lucky person. So good luck to you, and I'll talk to you in the next video.